Hi, how you doing? It's Romeo the Professor, and let me drop the music down. I want to talk to you about Trust Wallet, and I'm going to give you several reasons why you should download a Trust Wallet. You can download a Trust Wallet with an Android or an Apple. It doesn't matter. You just go to the App Store and you can download a Trust Wallet. Now, you will be making more money on the coins you buy that you can buy from decentralized exchanges. You'll be making more money on those coins than you can make on coins that's on Coinbase, Binance US, or crypto.com. Okay? So what you would want to do is download a Trust Wallet. Let me give you an example. If I had $10,000 and I'm starting in the crypto world space, and I'm okay if a coin drops 15-20% because I know that it'll go 100%. I'll start with Trust Wallet because I know on average minimum I'll make on the coins that's on Trust Wallet for the month. Minimum I'll make is about 60% on the Trust Wallet. Those coins that I buy on decentralized exchange like Uniswap, 1inch, or Sushi Swap or Pancake Swap. So 60% minimum I'll make. Now, on my balance on crypto.com, I know I'll make about 40% minimum. Now, on Binance US, I know I'll make about 25% minimum. On Coinbase, I know I'll make about minimum 15% for the month. Because Coinbase coins, once they get into Coinbase, they already did humongous pumps and they're more steady coins where they won't have drawdowns more than 25% or 30%. So you want to get Trust Wallet, and there's also reasons why you want to get the Trust Wallet. So number one, Trust Wallet is easy to use, okay? And it has multi-assets on it where you could put apps on top of the Trust Wallet. A Trust Wallet is like having a safe at your home and you putting money on it, okay? Think of like that from the crypto space, okay? Where you have the 12 letters that if you were ever to lose your phone, you just need those 12 words in order because it's on a blockchain, and you'll be able to find your money or find your information on a blockchain. So Trust Wallet is perfect. Now, like I said, it's easy to use and easy to buy crypto. I like it because it's decentralized, meaning you don't need to give an ID or your facial ID or an address. And it's private and secure. And the reason why people didn't like wallets before, if you wanted to stake your coins, you were not able to. But on Bitcoin, on Trust Wallet, you can. What staking is, for instance, if you bought BNB, Binance Coin, on Trust Wallet right now, I believe you're getting 20% interest on it for the entire month. So that is what staking is. Staking is a term like for older people that when banks used to say get a CD account and you have to hold your money in the CD account for 3 months or 6 months, you can't touch it. That's what staking is like, okay? Now, I like the DApp browser on top of the Trust Wallet. It'll let you go so many different places to buy NFTs, to buy different coins. And so it's all in one. So those are the main reasons. I do have a course that we teach people how to utilize the Trust Wallet and find the coins that are performing very well so that your portfolio on the Trust Wallet is doing 60% or more minimum a month. For instance, let me share with you some coins. Give me 1 second. So, hold on. So, some of the coins that are on Trust Wallet that did more than 500% this month, we have Metal, METAL. It did more than 500% this month. We have a coin that's called Eternity Chain. Eternity Chain is an NFT coin, and it's similar to Engine. That coin this month did over 300%. We have a coin called Pundi XT. That coin this month did 900%. Now, Pundi XT, they're providing point of sale type of equipment, just like Square, but it's for the crypto space that you'll be able to spend your crypto at any type of store, shoe store, grocery store, anywhere. So they're providing that service now heavily in Africa and in India, but their coin did 900%. We have NKN. That coin right now did 500% this month. We have DENT, D-E-N-T. That coin alone did 400%. And I happen to be in all of those coins. Now, if you're new to this world, you're probably thinking about buying Bitcoin, which did this month only 10% growth. I think 5% growth. You think about buying Ethereum, which did about 8% growth. You think about Cardano. Cardano this month did about 15% growth, and Polkadot did 25% growth. So that's what you're thinking about. But those coins, those are what I call now stable coins that you're getting interest on. But if you're starting off, Trust Wallet is where you want to be. So if I had $10,000, I would put $5,000 in Trust Wallet, in Meadow, Eternity Chain, PundXX, NKN, and Dent, 5 of those coins, 1,000 each. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor. However, I do well in the cryptocurrency space. So make sure you do your homework. And I would put $3,000 in Crypto.com exchange, because you want to be able to get the debit card, so you can have a debit card so you can use with Crypto.com. And I will put 1,000 in Coinbase, and in Coinbase I would buy like Filecoin and coins like that. And then I would make sure I have Binance US, where I would probably buy Engine Coin on Binance US. So starting, number 1, the best is Trust Wallet. Number 2 is Crypto.com. Number 3, Binance US. Number 4, Voyager. And number 5, we have Coinbase. So that's the order. So people, download the Trust Wallet. And like I said, I have a course that I teach people how to do this. And the link will be down below. And follow the YouTube channel, A2Z Investor. I'm Romeo the Professor. I'm out. See ya.